This is a training session regarding using pick tickets to relieve inventory and apply costs to jobs. When inventory items are removed from warehouse locations and sent to jobs, it is necessary to record this transaction in the accounting system so that job costs can be increased and inventory levels decreased. This is accomplished by creating and posting a pick ticket. Select Pick Tickets from the Inventory menu. The following screen comes into view. Here you can see a standard batch processing screen. On the left is a list of pick ticket batches. On the right is a list of all unposted pick tickets within the highlighted batch. To enter a new pick ticket, click the Add button and this screen appears. Enter a pick ticket number, a description, and a date. On the right, you may enter some defaults for the details we will be entering momentarily. For example, if all the items on this pick ticket are coming from the same warehouse, enter the warehouse location here. If all the items are to be charged to Job 200, enter that job here.
Now click the Add button to enter some detail.
On this screen, enter the item ID number of the item we are pulling from inventory. Now enter the number of units we are going to use. The system already has placed the default location and area for this item in the source box. However, we can change to pull from any location and area. In the destination box, we enter the job number and cost code to which these inventory items will be applied.
Alternatively, we could enter a different location and area as the destination. This would mean that instead of picking this inventory and sending it to a job, we're just moving it from one location to another in our warehouse or from one warehouse to another.
Once you've finished, click OK. Now let's add one more item to our pick ticket. This time, we will attempt to draw an item from a location which does not have any record of this item being stored there. Notice how the system catches the error and gives us a warning screen. We'll cancel this line item and continue with the processing of our pick ticket with just one line item. Click on the OK button and the pick ticket is displayed in the box on the right. Now we can tag this batch and print a proof listing of the pick tickets in the batch. If our entry is incorrect, we can change it by simply clicking on the Change button. If our entry is correct, we can proceed with a quick data backup and a posting. As the pick ticket batch is being posted, the system prints reports. At the conclusion of the posting, we are given one last chance to review our posting reports for accuracy. If everything checks out, we can click the Finish button to make our posting permanent. At this point, the units and costs from the pick ticket have been applied to the job, and the inventory price file will reflect the fact that the quantity on hand for this inventory has been reduced. This concludes this training session on entering and processing pick tickets in the inventory system.